Watch how the scene from Jaws opens with nothing but diegetic sound. Every sound we hear is the same sounds that the characters on screen hear. Sound of the waves, the kids singing, person calling for the dog, people splashing in the background, all diegetic sound. Nothing there that we hear that the characters don't hear. With the introduction of the shark's point of view here, we're going to now get some non-diegetic sound through the use of the score. The characters clearly do not hear this music because if you heard the Jaws theme as you were out swimming, you'd get out of the water quickly. This scene from Psycho combines diegetic sound, the sound of the car on the highway, with non-diegetic sound, the Bernard Herrmann score, ee-ee-eeing away in the background, and then includes something called internal diegetic sound. We're going to hear Marion's thoughts. There's people's voices running through her head. It's not really happening in the space of the movie, but we hear it, and our character hears it as well, even if it's not real.
Yes, Mr. Lowry.
Carolyn? Marion still isn't in?
No, Mr. Lowry, but then she's always a bit late on Monday mornings.
Buzz me the minute she comes in. Call her sister. If no one's answering at the house.
Okay, so diegetic just means that what we hear is what characters on the screen hear. Non-diegetic is when we hear things that the characters don't, like narration or music. And internal diegetic is where we hear things that the characters also hear that aren't necessarily part of the diegetic scene. Watch how Mel Brooks plays with the audience's expectations about diegetic and non-diegetic sound.